Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Nung bakasyon, tinitignan ko yung mga comment at saka yung mga sagot ng ating mga kababayan, lalo na yung mga OFW kung saan-saan na
Anong
sa buong
dito?
mundo. Tignan natin kung masagot natin yung iba.
Ano to it was 6 years ago. So, most probably, noong 2019. Oh, yan nakita nyo puta, pogi ang presidente natin, no? Tapos tatawagin nyo lang ng bangag.
Pero tayong sulat dito, Shelani Balois Anito. O naku, tiga Sambales pero nasa Colorado. Fan daw siya ng BBM Marcoses Forever. May suggestion pa siya. BBM for President and money for BP. Siguro si Manny Pacquiao ito. Naku, talagang iniisip na ninyo yung yung eleksyon. Well, magaling naman si Manny Pacquiao at mga kaibigan ko yan. Kaya pag magsasama kami, walang problema.
2019 Oh. Yan ba mukhang nag-a-addict ba si PBBM? Di ba? Addict daw eh. Hindi, kaya naman natin, maganda kasing panoorin. At least mabasa nyo kung ano dati si PBBM. Oo, vlogger din. Actually, pag nagva-vlog ka, ayan, si Boss Densable, he knows it as well. Pag nagva-vlog ka, Boss Tattoo, yung confidence mo sa pakikipag-usap, sa pakikipagtalastasan, tumataas eh. Kaya nga iba maraming bopuls, kahit bopuls nakikipagdebate. Kasi nasobra na yung confidence nila. 'Di ba? Si PBBM, tinan mo naman, no? Statesman na statesman eh, 'di ba?
Problema yun. Meron ding sulat galing sa Kina Tumbaga. Sabi niya ay gusto rin niya sumama dun sa aming bazaar. At tiga UAE ito. Anytime, alam mo, basta palapit bazar namin, sumubok kayo ng lahat ng mga produkto na galing sa Ilocos Norte. And it's all for a good cause. Yung proceeds niyan ay yung porsyento niya pupunta sa museum namin. Ito naman, from Rosadinho Samonte Elizabeth. Aba, Samonte, tiga amin yan.
I thought kasama niya yung mga anak niya dyan eh.
Na galing sa Pilipinas na Marikina na sapatos, mga sombrerong gawa sa Apple fabric, mga palayok na set na laruan. Naalala ko pa yan nung bata kami. Sinisindihan talaga namin ng apo yan. Yung ganyan, gumagawa kami ng nagluluto kami ng ito.
Ayun di ba? Sayang nga ng kwento ni PBBM eh.
Para kunyari, marunong kami magluto. Ay, nung nasa abroad ako, nakakamiss talaga yan. Kaya naintindihan ko na yan ang naiisip ninyo. Sana naman, pag nakabakasyon Ilocos Norte, lahat yan, makikita pa ninyo. At very traditional pa rin ang aming mga...
I feel amazed from the beginning to the end of this video. It's beautiful and makes me cry with joy. You are so lucky, sir, to have 3 prints na very elegant and educated, respectable, and beautiful souls. It's amazing. I wouldn't call myself...
Ako nakakry.
Alam nyo, dati pala, they were saying na, I think, parang inaano nila, no? Hindi ko alam kung ginugroom ba yung tawag, pero parang si Simon, no? Ang medyo ginugroom para maging next president eh.
Ako, pero hindi ko alam kung with joy. Kaya ko yung naging prince.
Since when are we prince?
I don't know. She's so sweet. But maraming salamat na at least, pero huwag niyo masyadong sasabihin niya, baka maniwala itong mga ito, lumaki ang mga ulo. Ito naman galing sa, galing kay, pinangalan niya rito, Snab Pabs. Oh, you read it.
My gosh, Sandra, like father, like son. Brilliant one. Hope to meet you one day. You shouldn't.
Kailan, he's the brilliant one. I'm not.
Nyo, di ba? Hindi, yan, tingnan nyo maigi kung mukha bang si PBBM. Di ba? Mukha ba diyang nagdo-drugs? Yung pamilyang nagdo-droga ba yung ganyan?
Sorry na lang pero alam mo, wala pa naman siya rito. So alam mo, dito sa pamilya namin, mahirap mag-absent. Absent. So patay sa amin. Pero maraming salamat. From Janet Samsoneri. Happy Father's Day, they're from Richmond, Virginia. Napakalamig siguro ngayon. Sarap pakinggan your children just like you, wherever you talk. It's like music to my... naging music yung mga ano niya. But thank you so much.
Editing, pang-editing.
Huh?
May editing.
Ito naman comment galing kay Cheryl Gulayan Kalang. Naku, mahirap.
Tamo, casual. Dapat pala, pag nagla-live tayo, nakaganyan, naka-formal eh.
No, he's much better looking than you. I'm sorry. But thank you anyway.
Ay, mahal na mahal yung tatay. hindi daw kamukha.
From Natividad, Gabon. I think Vince is BBM Jr. He speaks, it looks like his father. Ganun ba? Does Vince look like me?
It's like plus 1 foot and like a bit wider. Ernie Samilia.
Yeah.
A foot taller daw. Ang tangkad kasi ni ano eh. Di ba? Si Vinny, matangkad.
One of them is the next president and I see a future president as well. We love Marcos family TV.
Naku, maraming salamat.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Oo, talaga naman. Siyempre, kahit paano, pagka yung mga ganyang mga salita kami tumataba ng aming mga puso. Maraming salamat. From Gen Tagakta.
Vinny has the face of his Lola, Madame Pinalta. Still for me, the most beautiful woman in the Philippines.
Yeah, well, I agree. I think she's still one of the most beautiful women in the Philippines. She's one of the most beautiful women in the world. And I suppose, yeah, Vinny?
A little bit fat though.
Yeah. Just
Yung family nila very beautiful. Di ba? Napakaganda. Tapos, yung mga the way they speak, talagang kahanga-hanga.
Okay.
From Nadron San. Wow, I didn't realize that I was smiling the whole time I was watching. Very elegant and respectable children. Mabuhay.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Nakabola na naman itong mga anak ko. Very elegant and
I
respectable.
don't remember the last time I was called elegant.
Well, okay lang.
But thank you.
Thank you. From Estela Vasquez Nalde. This is it's amazing.
Biruin mo, yan daw yung time na nag-ano. 2019, di ba? Yan yung time na nag-addict daw yung family. Even Congressman Sandro, si FL Liza, and then si PBBM. Grabe, nasa itsura ba? Medyo mababakas nyo ba?
Really poignant to see it here. This one through, though they speak with an English twang, which is quite right as they live here. Oh, take a UK. In the UK, after all.
Oh,
I don't think I have an accent anymore.
No, well, our English changes when we're in England and it changes back when we're in the Philippines.
well, I am Ilocano through and through.
Well, yes, we are all Ilocano through and through. And
Proud na proud. O, Ilocano here! Hindi, pero Ilocano Bisaya tayo. Hindi kasi Bisaya rin tatay ko eh. Di ba? O, yan. So, Ilocano Bisaya. Ayun. O, sige, pasok, PBBM.
I'll swear to that kasi hindi mautangan ito mga anak mo. I think Vince is BBM Jr. from Natividad, Gabon. I think Vince
Vinny looks like everyone, huh?
is yeah, he has one of those faces. He speaks and looks like his father. Pambira naman. Mas maganda naman akong lalaki dyan kay Vincent. He speaks and looks like his father. Ginagaya lang ako niyan. No, pero si Vinny, yan ang nagpapacharming lagi. Lagi kami binobola ng mga, pati yung...
Mahina pala yung ano natin eh. Yung audio nila PBBM, di kayo nagsasalita dyan.
Lalo na yung lola niya. Kaya patay na patay sa kanya. Although yung favorite ni Mama Mel ito.
Rafael Kerubin.
Kerubin.
Happy Father's Day, VP BBM. It's so amazing to see you, Madame Lisa, reared your sons the way it should be. Intelligent, smart, cute, and so endearing to their father and mother.
Mama Meldy.
Thank you very much for the kind words.
Dagdagan ka pa ba? Magsasalita pa ba ako? O pababayaan ko na lang itong mga ito.
The next one is from Darlan
Sinapos mo kagad.
Farrell.
Oh.
Sandro noticed me. Ha 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 ha. Love you.
Sandro noticed me too.
Hello, darling. Consider yourself
also.
noticed. Love you too.
Notice me.
Meron dito ang...
Puro lalaki, no? Puro Marcos, no?
Cynthia McKnight. We need an experienced live-in nanny, caregiver, maid, and gardener to work for our family here in... Oy, ikaw, naghanap kang trabaho, di ba?
In Virginia.
Kaya mo lahat yan. Marunong ka naman. Marunong ka magluto. Hindi ka marunong magardinero.
Yeah, no, I don't think I can.
Nanny, caregiver.
Kaya.
I am unemployed.
Oh, pareho, we're the only ones who are unemployed. So we will send you, we will PM you for details. Maraming salamat. Mag-a-apply.
And actually, we are just watching this para dun sa mga hindi nakakalam. Tsaka para dun sa mga bago. Pinapanood lang natin to para to see nga ba kung ano nga ba sila PBBM during that time, no? Kung meron bang bakas ng pagiging tsuktsak chenes na kagaya ng binibintang sa kanila.
So, mabait itong bata nito. Kunin na ninyo para hindi ko na kailangan sustentuhan.
Hi guys, once Again, thanks for watching our dad's vlogs
If you want to see more, remember to share, like,
and subscribe.
Kikisig, di ba? Hindi yung akala mo, durugista, di ba?
Kung gusto mapag-usapan ng ating